Hello and welcome to Keep Information Systems Simple video on the SumIf function within inside of Microsoft O365. The SumIf function is used when we want to add together values based on specific criteria. In our scenario here, we are a bakery. We've baked apple pies, 18 of them. They cost $7 a piece for a total cost of $126. What we're looking to answer here is how much money in fudge, how much money in pie, cakes, muffins, or breads do we have in our store, and we want to create this in a small little dashboard. When you're using the SumIf command, my best advice is get outside of Microsoft Excel as you're learning this, right? So outside of Microsoft Excel, if I hired you and said, tell me how much money in fudge I have in my inventory, you would simply come over to column B. You'd look down, find the first fudge, 20. Find the second fudge, 84. So far I have $104 in fudge. So you're going to look through a type, you're going to match criteria, and then you're going to add together a specific range. And that's exactly what we're going to do with the SumIf command. So if we go into our cell, equals SumIf, adds the cells specified by given condition or criteria. Okay, so SumIf, our range, our criteria, and our sum range. Where are we going to go? What are we going to be looking for? And when we find it, what are we adding together? So our range is B2 to B26. But because it's an if command and we want to make this tool dynamic, we can select all of column B. And that way, if we ever add more items to our inventory, this list automatically updates. So we're going to go to column B. We're going to look for, in this case, we're going to look for fudge. Now, you can put fudge in quotation marks, and that's fine, and it will work. However, because of simplistic reasons, and I want to repeat this over and over again, I can look here that my order of my contents are fudge, pie, cake, muffin, and bread, which is the same order that they are listed in my key up here, and this key would be used with data validation to fill in the types. And so instead of putting fudge here, I'm simply going to reference G3. And so I'm going to say look through column B. If I find whatever content is in G3, in this case it's fudge, what do I want to add together? And I want to add the corresponding cell in column E. And again, I'm going to select all of column E so that as my inventory grows, so does my tool. It remains dynamic. And then I close my parentheses, and you can see that I have $288 worth of value, total cost in my fudge in my store. And now, because we did a relative cell reference for G3, we can look fudge, pie, cake, muffin, bread, fudge, pie, cake, muffin, bread. We can simply grab this and drag it down, and we can check each one. And so this muffins, we're going to spot check. SumIf, anything in column B matches G6. Yep, G6 is muffins, and if so, we want to add together our corresponding value found in column E. And so the SumIf command looks through a set of data, a range of data, looks at criteria. If it matches that criteria, it adds another range of data. That's your SumIf command. Thank you very much.